Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI tutorial. In today's lecture, I'm going to discuss the data source setting. I'm going to go to Power Query Editor. So we can minimize this too. We have within Home, data source setting. If you click on data source, you will see all the CSV file that we are uploading in here. All the queries is showing here. So for example, if you need to change the source of this data, so if you need to change the source of this queries, you have to update your data in here. So for example, let's gonna go back. These we have product lookup, rename, gonna go just /2. So if you change the name of your data set, and then you're back in here, this product lookup, and refresh, you will have this error because you changed the name of your data sets. So to fix that, you have to go to the data source, and you have to wait to fix that. The first way is go for this product. This is a category, this is product lookup, and go to change source. From change source, go to the browse, and this I keep it in desktop, Power BI, the zero data, advanced data, and then product lookup /2, the one you just rename it. Click OK, and then close. Open back to the home, refresh the data, and you'll see all the column is back in here with all the last modified that we did. And it's gonna go back again, remove rename, remove this /2. We don't need this one. Click OK. Now if I back again to the Power Query Editor and refresh the data, I will see the same error because I changed back. I have to back again and change. And now I told you about the second option. You can do it from this product lookup, the one we change. You have source. From the source, you have this gear icon. Click on the gear icon, and you'll have the faster way to get in this window. Go from browse, and then back again to this product lookup, and click OK. Click OK, and you'll have all the data. Refresh, go to from home, refresh, and you will see all the data is back again. So after you finish, you can close and apply. Close and apply, and you will save your data in the main interface of Power BI desktop. And you have refresh from here. This is from the front end of the Power BI. If you click refresh, all your queries are going to refresh from here. And if you need to back the Power Query Editor, if you need to limit, if you already finished working with these your data and no need to refresh again, you can just right click and include a report refresh. You can remove it from here, and you can click the second one, remove them if you need. So not include the refresh, or you need to include with the report refresh, you can back from here. And again, close and apply, and then you're back to save your data. So this is all you need to know in this lecture. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.